Hello and welcome back to Trinity Stamps. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the mini Slimline card and envelope die set. This die set has 17 dies in the set. The two largest pieces in this die set you can die cut to create an envelope that perfectly fits a mini Slimline card. The other dies in this set can be used to create your mini Slimline card, decorate your envelope, make a tag, and even hold a gift card. When you're ready to create an envelope, you're going to need to cut one of the largest die and two of the smaller pieces to create your envelope. They look like this. I like to use a lighter weight paper like textured cardstock or even pattern paper to create my envelope. First, I like to fold on all the scored lines to get my envelope ready to go. These tabs along the side pieces are where you're going to put your adhesive. I'm using double stick tape to put my envelope together, lining the entire tab with that tape. This is 1/4 of an inch and you can see it fits on there perfectly. Now because this envelope is going to have pressure on the seams with a card going in and out of it, I do also like to use some liquid adhesive on top of my double stick tape. This also gives me a little bit of time to move this around in case I don't get perfect placement. I can wiggle it a little bit and get it right where I want it. So now we have both side flaps on. It's time to fold this envelope up and adhere it all the way together. Across the bottom, I'm going to use the same double stick tape and liquid adhesive. This seam or fold will also get some pressure with the envelope being opened and a card going in and out. But on these side flaps here, I felt they would be secure enough with just liquid glue. So I'll press the side pieces together and fold up the bottom, and then I'm just going to make sure this is really dry before I add my Slimline card. So this mini Slimline card is 6 inches by 6 inches, scored at 3 inches and folded in half, and you can see it fits perfectly in this cute mini Slimline envelope. Now let's take a closer look at the other dies in this set. This scalloped panel die cuts a piece that measures 3 inches by 6 inches, so it will fit perfectly on the front of a Slimline card. The other die I really want to show you in this set is this one right here. You're going to die cut it into a prepared panel where you want a gift card to go. When you die cut this out, it die cuts notches that will perfectly hold a gift card. So you'll insert the gift card so that the notches hold either side of your gift card, and this holds your gift card in place very snugly, just like that. There are also dies in the set that create a banner and a tag, and then these cute little dies can die cut from the center of the square or the rectangle. I like to die cut this heart right here from the rectangle. I have the fallout heart that I can use, but then I also think it's really cute to use this piece as a faux postage stamp. There's also a large tag in this set that is 5 inches long by 2 inches wide, and there are two options for hole reinforcers for this tag. One that goes flush with the edge and another round one that also fits on this little circle. Now I'm going to show you how you can use this little circle piece to create a fun closure for your mini Slimline envelope. I'm going to adhere one circle to the flap with a brad. I'm not using any adhesive, just the brad. And then I'm also going to add a second circle on the body of my envelope. I marked with a pencil where I wanted the hole to go, and then I pierced it. I'm going to add that second circle with, again, just a brad, no adhesive, and I used my paper piercing tool to help me separate the tines of the brad and fold them flat. Next, I'll bring in a piece of twine, and I can tuck that under the circle and wrap it around kind of in a figure 8 to create a closure. Isn't that fun? The sentiment banner in this die set is 3 inches long and is perfect for your skinny sentiments to be stamped right on it. And there's also die cut sentiments in the set you can use to decorate your envelope or your card and even your tag. It's such a cool die set because it has so many options for cards and envelopes. I thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and feel free to subscribe to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel for inspiration, and you can also find us on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.